All right, this is the roof right now. I love the way it looks, but it just wasn't holding up, and it'd be nice to put shingles on it just for the way it looks, but skip all that. We're gonna put some metal on it. It's trying to fall down. I'm gonna fix that span, throw a couple 2x4s in, leave all that in place, leave all this old shingles in place, all this stuff in place, and I'm gonna run runners over top, and metal will be here in 2 days. We had a big tarp on it, try to let it dry out a little bit. I'm pulling up the old boards now, what was left of the, let's see. Still on there good. I got a hammer, I'm gonna pull up these boards and put down some new ones. And I got a special guest. Grandpa. Grandpa. Wave. Wow. Look at that, guys. 94 years old. 94 years old, guys. More important than everything else I'm doing. Oh boy. Got one more over here. Well, this is it, y'all. All right, back to the roof. I'll try to stay on task. Just get you all some updates.